In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Vimeo in 2025, especially if you're a beginner. Vimeo is not just a platform for hosting and sharing your videos, it's a place where you can monetize your content and earn a decent income. Let's dive into some effective strategies. First up is Vimeo On Demand. This is a great way to sell your videos directly to your viewers. To get started with Vimeo On Demand, you'll need to have a paid Vimeo account, whether it's Pro, Business, or Premium. This will unlock the capabilities you need for your venture. Once you've sorted out your account, upload your videos and set your desired price. Pricing can be critical, so consider your audience and what they might be willing to pay for your content. After setting the price, the next step is to actively share and promote your videos. This may be through social media, your website, or any other platforms where your potential customers are active. What's truly appealing about Vimeo On Demand is that you can keep a substantial 90% of your sales revenue, as Vimeo only takes a small commission. This allows for a fantastic return on your hard work. Next, let's talk about Vimeo OTT. OTT stands for over the top content, and it allows you to create your own video subscription service. This can be a game changer because it focuses on building a loyal subscriber base. To utilize this, sign up for Vimeo OTT. Once signed up, upload your content and set a subscription price. As with Vimeo On Demand, pricing is essential, and you'll want to strike a balance between affordability and valuing your work. As your content grows, work on building a subscriber base. The great news here is the potential for recurring payments, which creates a steady income stream over time. Remember, success with a subscription model relies heavily on consistent quality and engaging content that keeps your audience coming back. Lastly, consider leveraging Vimeo for offering freelance services. If you are skilled in video production or editing, this could be a lucrative path. Showcase your work on Vimeo, creating an impressive portfolio that demonstrates your expertise and attracts clients. You should also consider offering your services on freelancing websites, where you can connect with individuals or businesses in need of video production or editing services. This dual approach maximizes your exposure and increases your chances of landing projects. Overall, Vimeo offers several avenues to monetize your skills and creativity effectively. Whether through direct sales, subscriptions, or freelance services, there is potential for financial growth by tapping into these resources. Good luck with your endeavor, and remember, success often comes from persistence and continuous learning.